speaking of crypto and all the rest of it, Elon is back on the Doge thing. You made an interesting expression there on your face.
Yeah, it's a lot of Doge. Are you sick of it? Personally?
You're upset. Interesting. Is this because of your vendetta against Shiba Inus? Is that part of it?
No.
Tell the truth, Will.
They're fun dogs.
Tell the truth, Will.
I think Otis doesn't like them though.
Bad experiences.
Here and there.
Tell the truth.
But there's
a lot of people that are mad right now. Like, how dare you lump them all together? Well, you did it. I didn't do it.
They're beautiful dogs though. It's just
by calling them beautiful, that's your way of saying they're jerks. Yeah, they're beautiful dogs though.
Well,
I'm kidding. Actually, I have the opposite experience. All the ones that I've met were very nice. So
okay, maybe I should meet them.
It certainly depends. Every dog is different. Yeah, but they're obviously they look cool. They look so cool that they got the hot crypto named after them. Mm-hmm. It's how cool they look. Anyway, I'm kind of with you. It does get to a point where you're like, all right, I got the meme. Funny meme. Cool meme. But on the 1,000th time, you're like, all right, yeah. But I don't even necessarily think that's what it's about. I think it's some kind of an experiment. I feel like every time, if I'm him and I'm tweeting about Doge that much, I must be having fun to it, playing it almost like a video game.
Sure.
To the point where I'm gonna do a Doge tweet, see how cool of a meme I can produce, and then watch the price to see if I had an impact. Mm-hmm. Because we've all seen it happen.
Yep.
Particularly if you pull it out to do like a 3 month or a 1 year, and you can see like the hype train came out of nowhere, and it was all basically tweets. So that would be fun. That would be a fun experience to have that type of impact, even outside of the potential financial gains. It would just be like, wow, I just tweet this meme, but the truth is there hasn't been a pop like that original pop. And if you look at the 1 week on your chart here on CoinDesk, you'll see, it goes up, it goes down. And so you have this recent little flurry of Doge tweets. It's like everything else in life, right? The frequency goes up and the impact goes down. Mm-hmm. It's like the techniques don't necessarily always, they're not as effective. People become desensitized like yourself. And so even though it was this bunch of tweets, in fact, here they are. I'm getting a Shiba Inu. Hashtag resistance is futile. That was one of the tweets. Doge Day Afternoon was another tweet. And then the origin of Doge Day Afternoon was another tweet. And then we are so Doge-matic. And that was another tweet. Now, these tweets fly, for the record. To be clear with you, Will, they do numbers as far as retweets and likes and things like this. So I'm not going to tell anybody to stop doing what they're doing. But just to be clear, to be aware that if you keep pulling the trigger, scratching the itch, pushing a button, you might get guys like Willie Doo who no longer feel it.
Sure.
It's inevitable.
I'm just mad I didn't get Doge early.
Oh, okay. That's all
really
that is.
The case.
Oh, it's also important to note that there is a meaningful tweet exchange at the very top where we come to find out that apparently Tesla's purchase of that 1.5 billion of Bitcoin was facilitated by Coinbase in this particular tweet. And then there's a question from a Twitter user asking if Elon believes Coinbase should enable Dogecoin on the platform, to which he agrees, which is not surprising, but it is important to note that some big platforms still don't even support Doge. So keep that in mind.